Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to add your bio in X. If you want to personalize your X profile and share a bit about yourself, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. You can find the X app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, locate the account icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small profile picture or an avatar. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Profile. It's typically represented by an icon resembling a person or a silhouette. Tap on it to open your profile settings. Step 4. Within the profile settings, find your header picture and tap on it. A menu will appear, and you need to select the Edit Profile option. This will allow you to make changes to your profile information. Next, tap on your empty bio section. A keyboard will appear on your screen. Type in your desired bio, sharing a bit about yourself, your interests, or anything you'd like to highlight. Take your time to craft a bio that represents you. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add your bio in X. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.